Karachi. A 3-year-old innocent boy who fell into an open manhole near the NIPA Chowrangi bridge has tragically passed away. The Edhi Marine Services team recovered the child's body during a late-night ongoing rescue operation. The body was shifted to Jinnah Hospital via Edhi ambulance. According to the Chief Operating Officer of Rescue 1122, during the search operation for the child, who drowned after falling into the manhole near Gulshan-e-Iqbal, NIPA, Rescue 1122 recovered the body. Water rescue team retrieved the body after a continuous search operation. Drowned child has been identified as 3-year-old Ibrahim, son of Nabeel. This tragic incident highlights the severe negligence of civic authorities as open manholes continue to claim precious lives. Responsibility for this heartbreaking loss lies with the concerned municipal departments, whose failure to cover and maintain manholes has once again resulted in a preventable tragedy.